Today I want to do a video on defect removal. Remove the defects that are introduced into this gel-coated panel right here. In this video I'm going to use three steps: a P1200, a P1500, and a P2000. So with that, let's get started. I missed out a little water. Start with a 1200. So I've made 6 passes with the 1200 grit, north, south, east, west, to make sure that I cover all the surfaces completely, all the areas completely. So I'm going to go ahead and shift over to the next grit, which is the 1500. Re-wet the surface after wiping it off. It's pretty obvious from the look of the panel now that you can see that we're not removing a tremendous amount of paint. It's coming off in a slush. Okay, now we're going to finish this process with a 2000 grit. At this point, we should have a finish that would be very easy to buff. Thanks for watching.